got some of them a for it, move all. Hey, idea, bend.
Positive vibration, we're spreading it throughout the nation. The time is now. Upliftment, music and elevation. One question. Are you ready? Are you ready now? Tell me, are you ready? Are you ready now? Said, are you ready? Are you ready now? Said, are you ready? Are you ready now? We're on the move. We're moving in a one direction. Yo, can you feel the connection? We're in a...
The Vibronics have played at, I think, 5 Seasplash festivals now. The first time we played was at the second one, and it was right here in this fort. And then it kind of moved around to some different places, and now it's back here again. And back then, the dub scene in Croatia was much smaller and much more underground. And now, lots more people have discovered the music, and you can see from the festival you've got really powerful sound systems. And I mean, the fort's amazing. It's kind of a unique place for a festival because it's an abandoned fort, so you've got all these different spaces around it, like smaller rooms, bigger zones with big walls around them. So each one has got a totally unique atmosphere. And for sound system, it's perfect because it's outdoors, but because of the kind of castle walls, you've got this intensity from the sound. So you ask anyone who brings a sound system here, people would love to play here. And it's great, you can't help feel the kind of vibe when you walk up the hill to the vibe. It's like, wow, I really am somewhere special.
Yo, are you paying attention, Lord?
We are here, Vin Gordon and the Re-Rock Band. We are here in Jamaica, we say, we're there. We're here to splash and splish. This is called the Seasplash, okay? So remember that we're here to put it down. Splish, splash, splish, 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 splash.
Came here with 2 bands, Citizen Fish and Culture Shock, all the way from England, and I've never seen a festival like Seasplash is a festival. Firstly, I like the sea, so you go down to the sea. Secondly, I like dub reggae music, and then you got this sound system playing as the waves are slightly coming in, and it's hot as hell, and all the best music in the world and all the best visuals are all in one fucking connected space. This festival isn't huge, but in terms of what it means and does for the fucking human soul, I know I sound like a fucking hippie, it's fucking massive. So if you get a chance, come to Croatia, leave everything else behind, and just fucking have a really good hell of a time.
Sorry I missed Seasplash last year, but don't worry, we're going for it this year. I hope to see you there. Dubbing you crazy, Ariwa style, talking roots, Euro style. What, baby? Seasplash, 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 Seasplash.